I actually don't do anything to style my hair. It just looks like this when I wake up in the morning. You guys really seem to like my hair. I don't blame you. I have been ignoring the cries of the people for far too long. It is finally time to make a hair video. I'm about to reveal the biggest secret ever. I'm wearing a bandana right now. This is how I get my bangs to dry curly. When I first get out of the shower, I lightly pat my hair with a towel. When your bangs are wet, they tend to like flop down in front of your face. You're just gonna lift them up and wrap a bandana around your bangs. 2 hours later, here we are, and my hair is dry. The only product I use is Big Sexy Hairspray. We're gonna take the bandana off. As you can see, it kept the curls intact. Mission accomplished. Shake, 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 shake. Right now, see how it's kind of like flat and floppy? We're gonna give it some personality here. I'll start by just lifting my hair up and spraying the roots, and then working it in little spots throughout the hair. You just gotta have to work with it and play with it. Once I have the desired volume, then it's just fine-tuning and perfecting that shape. This is the magic of the hairstyling process. Just have fun with it. Here's the thing with curly hair. It can look a certain way one day and completely different the next. It's pretty much gonna do what it wants to do. Work with it, not against it. Here's the finished results. That is really all I do for my signature hairstyle. It's pretty simple. I've been asked all kinds of crazy questions. Is your hair real? Do you wear a wig? This is definitely my real hair. I'm gonna link this product down below. Grab a bottle for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Be sure to subscribe below.
I got my hairspray. Don't know it's hairspray.
I have ingested way too much hairspray fumes.